back to our channel. So we are back with another unboxing. We're gonna be unboxing a Wibargain box, and this one is the Unclaimed Mail. It's because I always forget what it's called.
It's called Unclaimed Mail?
Yeah, it's Unclaimed Mail.
Ooh.
And then like I've been wanting to open it so bad because I've had it here for like 2 days, and I was like, wait. Oh gosh, here we go again. If you guys missed this series, I wanted to show them you unboxing it, but I mean it's super dangerous. Just don't rip me.
Wait, I don't want to rip any Unclaimed Mail.
Oh yeah, what about cutting me?
I mean that too, you know.
So yeah, guys, I wanted to open this box for a while. Okay. And it's like, I was getting ready today and I was like, it feels so, something feels just so naughty about opening someone's mail. I mean, even though it's illegal to do it, but this is not illegal because it's unclaimed mail and it goes through like that whole process of being unclaimed.
So it's no longer illegal?
Yeah. And this is a box from Wibargain. So if you guys already know.
Have they always done this?
No, yeah, this is new. So they're doing unclaimed mail and like unclaimed packages. And I think it has 10 items. So I'm not sure what the items are. I'm not sure if they're like returned items because Wibargain is, you know, a third-party company. You know, they get items that were either returned or pulled off the shelf. You guys know my speech.
You know the best part of this?
What?
I get to use this over and over.
Oh my gosh. Right, guys. So this is what it looks like. There's so many packages in here. Well, I think there's only 10, but that's still so many, and I'm so excited. Different sizes, little small ones. We got a little box. It's like unwrapping so many things. And the best part is it doesn't have that little popcorn thing, so yeah, that's a plus. But all right, let's dig into this box. Your knife, so. Okay, I know there's 10 packages. Why don't we each? They're
5 and 5.
Yeah, 5 and 5.
Okay, it'll be like
and we'll pick one each at a time. So
okay, like we're picking a team.
Okay, so you want to start?
Ladies first.
Oh, so sweet. All right, let's see. I'll grab this one. Are we opening it now?
No.
Put my 5 to the side.
And my 5 to the side.
Okay, so this is mine.
All right, mine is gonna be.
That's not fair.
What?
Okay, I want the box for sure then.
Then I want...
And whatever I open, I get to keep, and I'm free to sell or give away if I want then.
Fine. This one.
Okay, this one.
What if this is just like a letter to like someone's grandma or something?
Oh, then we'd have to try to get it back to them. Okay, I'll get this one then. I know that one's closed for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, there's more than 10. Oh wait, okay, I'll get this one.
Oh wait, so how many do you have? I have
1,
4.
2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. You have 4? Okay, 5. And the box is empty. So that's exciting. You want to open yours first?
Sure.
Open this one.
Whoa.
Open that one first.
Some of these say refused.
Like they didn't want it?
That's what it says. I mean, I don't know. They don't go into detail, but... Alright.
So these are kind of dirty though, so that's good.
Yeah.
I hate that feeling on my hands.
I wonder how long it's been sitting there for.
This is to James Charles.
Shh, you can't give out that information.
I'm not giving the whole address. Okay, you want to go first or I go first?
You go first.
Okay. Okay. Let's open it nice and neat. Because I still have to do the TikTok unboxing, so. Oh, it's closed. Let's see. From. So this is what it looks like. There's a letter. It says return order. I can't read handwriting. Store Emma. So if you guys can read that.
Metal 2021. Oh, there's a letter?
Yeah. And this is what we got. Oh, we got a shirt. It's double XL.
Well, apparently she's disappointed.
She's disappointed in her item?
The blouse is beautiful, but definitely the wrong size.
Oh. It's a double XL.
Well, okay then.
I know that this fits my grandma and it totally looks like something that she would wear. So far one package is a gift.
It's my turn and cut it neatly. Got it.
I'm so excited.
Okay, you ready for this?
Okay.
That doesn't say the person's information.
And I'm so excited because we did the Wibargain event and we met Stephanie, Calorie Queen, on TikTok.
She does this.
And she does unclaimed mail, and I'm always like looking at her like content, and I'm just like, can you send me an unclaimed mail package?
Hey! This is from Jamaica, New York. And it is... What is this thing?
Does not reside at this address. Feels so naughty.
What is this?
Oh, this is a...
Is that like a nun thing?
There's a bracelet in there.
Don't open that. Oh, it's like a little Hello Kitty. Does it zoom in? No.
Is this a maid outfit? Oh, this is so cute. Look. It's like a little dress. Obviously, it won't fit me, but it might fit, I don't know, someone. This is actually really cute.
Well, this is cool. Look.
But is this like church related or something? Oh, that Hello Kitty bracelet. That is cute. All right, I guess it's my turn.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to get a toy box. Wibargain has a toy box. I want to get a toy box so the kids can open that one. So let's see. I opened this one ugly. What happened to the scissor process? You like this one? You don't even know what it is, sir.
Yeah, hit it.
Okay.
No, like a toy box.
A toy box? Yeah, let's get a toy box.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm scared I'm gonna rip the...
Just pull it like that. What is that?
It's more clothes! So we're definitely getting a lot of clothes here. This is baby clothes. They're back at it with sending us baby items, babe. Oh, this is so cute! It's like a little outfit. And it comes with...
Why do we get a lot of baby stuff?
The bib and the little hats. Oh, that's so cute.
I guess we're gonna have to give that away.
I mean, it couldn't have been like Gucci brand or something. Could have definitely.
I'm sure someone would have claimed that.
They wouldn't have refused
They would have not refused it. Okay, you ready for this one?
I gotta.
This is a phone case for an iPhone 7G. Do they still make this?
iPhone 7G?
Yeah.
Is that even a thing?
Yeah, remember when there was like the iPhone 5, then the 5G, the iPhone 6? No, I'm sorry, the iPhone... Oh, I had the 7S, never mind.
I was like 7G? You're so weird.
It's your turn.
It's my turn?
Yeah,
Oh.
I did the iPhone...
Okay, fine, I'll do this one.
Are you saving that box for last?
I feel like that's my only one that's like... Because I know the other one is a cloth. Cloth. How do you say it?
Cloth?
What is this? No, clothes. It's clothes.
What is that?
I don't know what this is. This isn't clothes.
I don't think that's edible.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh, no, but I'm not eating rice right now. You put your little rice in here, your white rice, and then you like shake it, and then you pour it on the plate. That is so adorable.
Oh,
and it has like little
cool.
bears. I'm actually
it comes with
excited
a little
about this
scoop.
one. I think this is to like scoop the rice and then put it in here. This is so cool. That lady on TikTok that goes, how does she go? She goes, let's make some lunch for my kids. I love her.
Never seen it.
You've never seen her? She like makes like the cutest lunch ever for her kids.
Really?
I mean, not like I'm gonna do it, but so cute. I might now.
Okay, you ready?
Okay. Shake your mini knicker.
What?
I'm just waiting.
Oh. Your expression was like you knew what it was. I get 2 in this. If there's like a rare Pokemon card in here.
It's 2, 1 and 1.
No. This is my package.
The camera cut you off.
Are you guys ready?
We can be spies? Oh, you guys, we've been watching Chuck and I'm obsessed. Is this a little camera? We can totally be perverts, huh?
I'm gonna go put this in the bathroom. Babe, go use the restroom.
I use the restroom with the door open anyways.
Yeah, but this isn't up close.
Yeah, I think you need to plug. This is a camera? Is it a camera?
Yes, it's a camera.
Oh, this is so badass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what am I supposed to do with this? Like,
I don't know.
Like someone's gonna know this is like pointed at them.
How does it work though? We're gonna get back to you guys on these, okay?
Find us some porno.
Huh?
No.
What did you say?
Your turn.
I'm so scared. What is this one? This one's the one that one came in?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's open this one. I know it's closed for sure. Please be a Louis Vuitton bag.
I promise you. It is not a Louis V.
I don't even care for that. I don't use bags, so.
Something pink.
Something pink. It's a dress.
Whoa.
It's a dress.
You chose all the clothes, did you notice?
I know, that's what I was saying. Oh, this is so cute. Do you guys want to see me put it on? Oh. I still could have done like a clip. What are you doing?
Put it on.
Why did we get those cameras? I know you're gonna be bugging, man.
I'm just gonna leave this on the side of the bed.
It's just a dress. It doesn't fit me either, but it might fit Dana.
Is it a dress?
Yeah, it's a dress. It's like a little dress,
summer?
and I think you can tie it yourself because it has the things. So
Cool.
I got all the clothes.
Awesome. I got all the cool stuff.
I don't know how people. Okay, this one says returned. Yeah, returned to sender. Oh, people just didn't get their packages. So someone ordered this and never got it.
Okay, I'm gonna open the big.
Wait. Oh no, yeah, you have two because I have one because then I have one. I'm trying to get another
trying
package.
to steal one. I'm gonna open the big yellow one.
Okay. Oh, those are so cute.
These are. Do I open it or?
Sure. I got it. Don't worry. These are little chanclitas.
They're chunklas.
Chanclas. Look at this. This is so cute. I don't know what size that is. 31? This is so cute. These will probably fit Mia. I'll definitely save these for her. They're adorable.
Yeah. It's your
So
turn.
we got a lot of clothes. We got some shoes. We should have got a clothing box at this point.
It's your turn. The box. The
Oh,
moment
it's
of
my
truth.
turn?
And
I'll trade you?
need. Nope.
I'll trade you.
No, I'm gonna be secretive with this. You won't know. That's the whole point.
Oh.
I don't want your consent.
Do you see something about unclaimed mail just making us
And brings out the
naughty?
dirty in you.
Not the dirty in me. I don't even know how to open this. Look, it's sealed up everywhere.
Yeah,
I got it. Wait, let me look at myself.
Because you're supposed to do it from the top. Why are you doing it from the side?
Because it's sealed right there too.
Oh.
Let's see. Oh, there we go.
Okay. What is it?
It's gonna be a headpiece for the camera.
I think so.
Car model.
Oh,
Nissan.
it's for the car. It's for a Nissan.
It's a Nissan car part. What am I gonna do with that?
You're gonna give it away to someone that owns a Nissan. Thank God I didn't trade.
Oh,
What was I gonna do with that? You were so excited for this too.
What the fuck?
My turn. I actually got. There's something in here for sure. Wait,
I'm jinxing that.
I think there's chips in here.
Chips? I'm kind of hungry.
My thing is it edible? Like, I would have need something from
I think
it.
we could look at the expiration dates. Are you gonna show us or just hug it to yourself?
I'm trying to figure out what this is.
Oh, yeah.
We got a whole bunch of this.
Oh, much better.
We got
Much better
a.
than my Nissan car parts.
We got a plug.
Mine says resellable.
Oh, I think it is much better. I needed this. Is this a nose trimmer?
Oh, buffoon. It's it's for your nails. It's
iPhone now, huh?
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know. You need to do your nails? I'll charge you.
I don't know how it works though.
Here's the machine.
Oh, that's definitely resellable. Resellable, is that a word?
Does it work?
Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, here we go. So
I thought it was a nose trimmer.
You thought it was a
I got excited.
Did you say, oh, I needed one of these? You said that?
I'm just glad I didn't plug it in and put it in my nose.
Oh shoot, that would have hurt. I think it does the job too. Look, you put it in here.
Yeah.
Somehow. I don't know how.
So I got the girl product, you got the guy part. We should have traded. I don't know the Nissan though.
True. So I think it goes something like that. I don't know, guys, but it's for your nails. I know it's that thing that goes bzzz for your nails.
What?
That's gonna be our unboxing. Hope you guys liked it. Hopefully next unboxing it could be a toy unboxing, and we're gonna do it with the kids. We'll see how that works out.
Oh, that's gonna be chaos.
That is gonna be chaos, but it's gonna be really fun. Now, if you guys want to check out Wibargain, you guys already know the link is gonna be in the description. This time, you guys get 20% off using KSB20. So instead of 15% off, it's now 20% off. And then, of course, they have like a ton of different boxes. You guys already know my favorites are the clothing box, the women's, men's, the shoe boxes, all of that stuff, because you just can't go wrong with them. But if you guys want to try the Unclaimed mail, because I thought it was kind of exciting.
It is. I mean, you don't know. It could be anything.
I mean, I think we could definitely resell the cart parts, and we're keeping the clothes, that's for sure. And then we can probably resell this too.
Oh.
There's a lot of nail techs out there. I mean, I just need to know that it works, because it's like
rattling in there.
Rattling in there, so
yeah. Maybe
once we know if it works. It says nail drill, foot, and hand. So look, for foot it goes even harder. It has two little lines. All right, guys, if you guys want to check out Wibargain, link is in the description. KSB10 for a discount, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Have you guys ever heard of unclaimed mail? Well, it's mail that was never claimed, and you can open it up, and it's completely legal. Something about that just seems so exciting, and I got this whole box right here with many different packages. So let's see what we got.